I already sent you the notes also as you requested, right? Did you see? Recording is started, huh? So, are you seeing the screen?
Yes, sir.
And last class we had 50% done with projectile motion.
Yes, sir.
Today we'll finish inshallah the projectile motion part. Projectile motion last class you got the one that was
Yes, sir.
related to the throwing object horizontally, right, from a higher place.
Yes, sir.
Like you are standing and you are throwing horizontally one stone. For that motion, how the velocity changes into both the directions, is horizontal component and vertical component. That
Okay.
one we are going to do, right? Now
Yes, sir.
we have this one we did last, and we got also the displacement, huh?
Yes, sir.
Vertical displacement, horizontal displacement, and how they are coming. All this explanation we did in last class. So Asan and Farhan, you take this note. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Writing part, you are not done. Yeah, Farhan, you only present during the discussion, the explanation, right?
Yes, sir.
And writing only did by Navid. And last
Okay.
class, Asan went for any invitation, right?
Yes, sir.
Invitation, and that's why he missed the projectile motion part. So Asan, please take, huh? In the miss notes.
Yes, sir.
Now, today we are going to have the motion for more projectile motion when the object is thrown at an angle theta with horizontal. Look, you are standing on the ground and throwing the object with an angle theta with the horizontal, okay? And when you are throwing, the velocity is u, and here you see r. R is shown the range. That means how much distance the object will cover, right? Horizontally.
Yes, sir.
That is called range. So this is very important thing for technologies, or we can say the throwing of any missile, or the flying of any aeroplane, or space shuttle, movement. For everything, this principle is very important, because the angle and the velocity here you are throwing the object, depending on that, uh, it will go to the target. Okay, that means
Yes, sir.
how far it will go depends on the angle and the uh, initial velocity. Okay, so you you please try to understand it, and after that you write the notes. First task is to understand it properly. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so we first start from here. You write the heading. Write the heading, both of you. That is projectile motion when the object is thrown at an angle theta with horizontal. And for our previous notes, we had this much. So who did not write, you can keep this space left. Huh?
Sir, আমি projectile motionটা করে ফেলেছি।
Yeah, this part was done, right, by you, and this one is also done, right? projectile motion when the object is thrown in a horizontal direction? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Once again, please.
I'm saying that this part is also done by you. This horizontal direction throwing, this part also you wrote.
Yeah.
Look, projectile motion, a little bit
Sir, ওই এই
introduction.
পেজ শেষ ওই দিনই।
Yeah, this one is introductory part. Okay, that here we are
Yes, sir.
only explaining what is projectile motion.
Yes, sir.
What is projectile motion? Then here we discussed if we throw the object horizontally, what will happen? Okay, so this
Yes, sir.
part we discussed, but you did not write. I am saying, did you write it or not yet?
Yes, sir. I wrote it.
You have written it. Okay, very good. So if you are done, then Asan, maybe he did
Yes,
not
sir.
write.
Sir, I wrote.
You also wrote. Okay, very good. So if you are done, that's awesome. Now we are starting here, right?
Navid.
Yeah. Navid. Hello, Navid. Navid.
ফারহান কি পিসিতেই করো
হ্যাঁ,
Navid.
কেন?
না এমনি কি পিসি ডেল না
না
এইচপি
পিসি না, আমার ল্যাপটপ
কি
লেনোভো।
Navid.
সারেরটাই
না না, স্যারেরটাই না, লেনোভো থিংকপ্যাড আমার।
Navid, are you listening? Hello, Navid. Navid. Okay, you're right, huh? Farhan and Hasan, please write this part. Projectile motion when the object is thrown at an angle theta with horizontal. Have you written?
কোনটা স্যার? এইটা না না, এটা লিখিনি স্যার।
So you write this heading. Write this heading, please. This one we are going to discuss today, huh?
Yes, sir.
Part was left.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Navid. How are you,
Yes, sir.
Navid? Yeah. Please write this heading, and draw this diagram
Okay, sir.
quickly. And Farhan,
Yes,
you
sir.
read this, if a particle is sent off, if you are done with
Velocity
drawing,
u and
yeah. If you are done with drawing also, then you read this,
if a particle is sent off with velocity u at an angle theta to the horizontal, then the vertical and horizontal component of u are used. U sin theta and u cos theta respectively.
Okay. So this one is also known to us, right?
Yes, sir.
If we have u, our velocity, then our horizontal component and vertical component, we know it, right?
Yes, sir.
The vertical component is u sin theta and horizontal component is u cos theta. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Have you written this? This part have you written?
For me, sir?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
all of you, all of you, all of you.
Yes, sir, I've written it.
Yeah, it's still here, huh? You cos theta respectively. Then you read, huh, Farhan? This.
Yes, sir. Particle is projected from x, y equals to 0, 0 now from equation of motion is equals to ut equals 1 by 2 at square 0 equals to u sine theta t minus 1 by 2 gt square for vertical component of u 0 equals to t u sine theta minus 1 by 2 gt.
So here we have, look, we are throwing the object upwards, right?
Yes, sir.
So as we are throwing it upwards, that's why we are working against the gravity.
Oh, what about
Against the
chile?
gravity, if we are working against the gravity, that time our g is
Yes, sir.
negative, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why the acceleration we got here, that is g, as we are throwing upwards, this is minus half gt square. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and as we are now taking the vertical component of u, vertical component,
Okay.
we have u sine theta, right?
Yes, sir.
So we are having here u sine theta t, and when we are throwing it upwards, you see our vertical displacement is 0, right? Vertical
Yes, sir.
displacement is 0.
Mhm.
So here we got 0 equals u sine theta t minus half gt square. Now, t, if you
Yes, sir.
see that in both the parts, both the parts of the equation we have t, right? We can take t as
Yes, sir.
common. So t multiplied u sine theta minus half gt we can write. Have you written this part? When
Yes,
we
sir.
are
এই page
explaining,
পর্যন্ত I'm done.
yeah, when we are explaining, we are also writing, right? That part,
Yes, sir.
understanding and writing together. Then we see time 0, when the time is 0 at the beginning, the time is 0, that time x means the horizontal displacement is x, and y means vertical displacement, right? That
Yes, sir.
one is also 0, because at the beginning there is no motion yet, it was just started, right? So that
Yes.
time is x, the horizontal component 0 and vertical component 0. Now after some time we are going like 5 seconds or 6 seconds or 10 seconds, that one we are saying time t, and that one we say at the end of the journey we have u sine theta minus half gt equals 0. Why we got that? In our previous page, you see we have this, right?
Yes, sir.
You know about the factorial rule, right, of equation.
Yes, sir.
If we
No, I
have
don't know the fact.
like this one, we have t multiplied u sine theta minus half gt square, right?
Yes, sir.
So half gt, now t will be 0, and also this bracket part will be whole part will be also 0, right? In algebra we have this rule. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So t is 0, and also the whole bracket 1 is also 0. Now when t equals 0, you see this factor is showing us two things. One is t equals 0, another one is t equals t. That time u sine theta minus half gt equals 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now if you simplify, it comes t equals 2u sine theta by g. Yeah. And in this stage we have x equals r. Like after time t, according to this diagram, the horizontal displacement of the object is r, right?
Yes, sir.
So that one we are saying x, and the vertical displacement, as it started it here and it reached here, so it's coming to the ground, right? Again,
Yes, sir.
the position you threw it, the similar position you had this object return back. So we are having the vertical displacement is 0, right?
Yes,
Because
sir.
vertically it's the same place now, but horizontally it changed some distance, right? Or it has some distance travel. So that one we are saying r. Now that one also you are writing here. Look, your x equals r, right? X
Yes, sir.
equals r, and that r we are saying it is range of the
Okay.
object, and y equals 0, right?
Yes,
Y
sir.
means the vertical component of the displacement is 0. Is it clear?
Mhm. Yes, sir.
Hasan, Navid.
Yes, sir.
So only Farhan is saying yes sir, yes sir. What about you, Navid? Have you understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You also understood. So you please respond also. Look here, we have very important here to understand it. So this part is done by you, Hasan and Navid. Hello, have you written this part?
Yes, sir.
Hasan,
Sir, yes, wait, sir.
you have written this part.
Yes, sir.
And from this equation only we are getting these two solutions. The quadratic equation has, if we factorize them, we have here two factors, right? Isn't it? So every factor, all the factors multiplication is 0. That means every factor will be 0. You know it, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
That's why we got t equals 0, and when
X is
t
equals to
equals 0, then x equals 0, y equals 0. When time is t, that time we have u sine theta minus half gt equals 0, then u sine theta equals half gt, then t equals 2u sine theta by g, and our displacement, horizontal displacement is r, range. We say it range, and vertical displacement is again 0. So you write here, huh? Till y equals 0. The way I wrote, you write same way, exactly same way, because left side I kept all the things for the time 0, x 0, y 0, that is for time equals 0, and the right side one,
Mhm.
when after some time, after passing some period of time, we have time equals t.
Okay.
Okay, then if we write that value equals 0, that quadratic equation second factor, that one we have also 0. If you rearrange it, if you simplify it, it comes t equals 2u sine theta by g, x equals r, range, y equals 0. Okay,
Yes, sir.
is it clear, Navid? Hassan,
Yes, sir.
Sir.
you written.
Yes, sir.
Already you understood what is called range. Now also in words we have some description about range. So you write also this note. Navid, can you read this part? Note.
The range R is defined as the distance from the point of projection to the point of which the particle reaches the ground again. Now
Yes.
we use this second value uh, uh, sir,
Second
of
value
t
T.
with the horizontal component of velocity u cos theta to find range R.
Yes. So we use here second one, right? Second
Yes, sir.
factor. Okay, to get the range. So write this note.
Sir, how is everyone at your home?
Alhamdulillah, all are really wonderful time passing. They have got their, lots of gifts today. We
কেন
have
জন্মদিন ছিল নাকি
these
কারো?
winter clothes they got.
Winter class.
And that's why they all are very happy, excited. They are
You got lots
enjoying
of
this.
hits today.
Yeah. So
They got gifts, you got hits.
no, I did not actually got any hit. I enjoyed. Their happiness brings also pleasure for
You
me.
have makes you happy.
Yeah, makes me happy. That's bring lots of pleasure to me. Because
Inshallah.
Sir, what pleasure? Like,
yeah, we used to be also happy during our childhood, right? You also be happy
Yes, sir.
if you get gifts.
Sure, sir. We do.
Yeah. So here is our done, right? This part.
Yes, sir.
Now look, we have our equation S equals ut plus half t square. This formula, right?
Yes, sir.
We already got this relationship, the relationship of time, and we are saying it x equals r. Now, how to calculate this r? By using these values, that one we are going to learn from this deduction. Okay, you see, we have one equation for getting that is u square sine 2 theta by g. Now, how this equation we got, the explanation is here. Yeah, check.
Okay.
S equals ut plus half a t square. This one we know, right?
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it? And here our S, the displacement in horizontal component, we are saying this horizontal component always x, right? Because x
Yes, sir.
axis is towards the horizontal component. So that x is our r, right? Range. Already Already in our definition we got what is called range. It is the displacement towards the horizontal component, right?
Yes, sir.
When it reaches the ground, when you throwing, then it's reaching to the ground. That is going
Ground.
horizontally. That is called range. So
Okay.
this one is range. Now, when we are having this equation, you see, we are writing u cos theta t. u cos theta t, and that is coming from here, the first part, ut. In horizontal component we have u cos theta, right? For
Yes, sir.
u we have u cos theta, that t is there after time t, that is t, plus half a t square. In horizontally, uh, when the object is going horizontally, we don't have any effect. For the horizontal component, we don't have any effect of gravity, right? We
Yes,
have
sir.
the effect of gravity for the vertical component, right?
Okay. Yes,
Because
sir.
when the object is having against the gravity, that time it has gravitational effect, or it has the, some factors working on the object, right, on gravity.
Yes, sir.
So that time our second part is coming zero. You see, I wrote here, as particle reaches ground, g equals 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And now r equals u cos theta. We had this here in this equation, and after that we have t, right? This t you got here by working, right?
Yes, sir.
After time
I
t
did.
we have this t relationship, 2u sine theta by g. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we are replacing that t here, 2u sine theta by g. Is it clear?
Okay.
Is it clear to you how it came?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we are having here u cos theta, then 2u sine theta divided by g. So you have u and u multiplied, we can say u square.
Okay.
Can you write right here u square?
Will I write?
Yeah, yeah. Uh,
মানে কি খাতায় লিখবো না স্ক্রিনে লিখবো?
no, no, not on the screen. I am saying that, can we write it here u square? That u multiplied by u. Is it possible to write?
অবশ্যই we can write.
Yeah.
না স্যার, it is not maybe না possible এটা.
Why not possible? U multiplied by u is u square, right? So why not possible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, possible. So cos theta multiplied 2 sin theta left, right? U square gone. Now we have cos theta 2 sin theta. So we are rearranging it, 2 sin theta cos theta we are writing. Okay?
Okay.
2 sin theta cos theta we are writing, divided by g. Then we have u square sin theta by g. How? Because in trigonometry we have this relationship, that 2 sin theta cos theta equals sin 2 theta, right? You know it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Do you know it? Farhan,
Yes, sir.
or you forgot? Hassan,
Yes, sir. Which one?
Yes, sir.
this formula of trigonometry, can you remember? 2 sin theta cos
Yes,
theta
sir.
equals sin 2 theta. Okay, we shifted this 2 sin theta cos theta to sin 2 theta. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
By using trigonometric formula. Okay, now what is came? R equals
Yes.
u square sin 2 theta by g. Okay, so till here you are done,
Yes.
everyone.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Everyone, you are done with this formula. R equals u square sin 2
Yes.
theta by g. Okay. Now look, if if you think, what is the maximum value of sine theta? Sine theta's maximum value is 1, right?
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it?
Yes.
So when
Yes.
sine 2 theta will be 1, that time our range will be maximum, isn't it?
Okay.
When sine 2 theta will be 1, that time our range will be maximum. Okay, so get maximum range, in which angle we have to throw the object, that one we understand from this equation. If you want to get sine 2 theta equals 1, that time your theta should be 45 degree, right?
Yes, sir.
Because sine 90 degree is 1, isn't it?
Yes.
Sine 90 degree is 1, so if
One.
it is sine 2 theta, so sine 90 degree, that means 2 theta is 90 degree
Okay.
and theta is 45 degree. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So write this, can you read this part, Farhan? This
Yes,
part,
sir.
if we throw,
If we throw the projectile at an angle of theta equals to 45 degree, then sine 2 theta equals to 1, largest value of sine, and then we get R max equals to U squared by G.
so this is the end of this topic. Huh? You finish this
Okay.
one. That
So তাহলে কি next part এর class হবে না আজকে?
of course, you finish this part, then I will tell you. Quickly finish it. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Next part already I showed you a glimpse, right? Here,
Oh,
projectile.
স্যার
You
এটা
see,
আজকে স্টার্ট করবেন আজকে আমি
yeah,
ফটোকপি করে ফেলতাম
Farhan is throwing it. Huh?
আরে
Farhan is throwing the projectile somewhere.
I am a macho man.
In last class, I uploaded this worksheet so that you can print it out. So are you done writing this part?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Asan is not there. Who is Ummul Khair Mahmuda?
Oh, sorry, it's এটা আমার নাম উমুল খায়ের রাখা এখানে না স্যার সরি
Yeah, it's from the beginning, but I did not say you anything. Your name is that one.
স্যার থাকলে সমস্যা আছে
No problem, no problem. It's not a
ওই
problem.
সকালবেলা ছোট বোনের ক্লাস হয় তো স্যার ওই
It's
ওর
okay.
ক্লাসের আগে ওর যদি আবার নাম পাল্টানো হয় পরে আবার ওদের টিচার আবার একটু বেশি প্রবলেম করে ওদের বেশি প্রবলেম করে
It's okay.
থাকলো
So are you done with writing this part?
ওর টিচার এই বাচ্চা বাচ্চা মেয়েদের মানে পড়া থ্রেড দিতে থাকে মার্কস কেটে দিব এটা করে দিব ওইটা করে দিব
So I think both of you are done, right? I don't see Asan is here. Maybe he's disconnected for any reason. David, are you done?
Yes, sir. Done.
So you understood everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So how was your trip?
Sir, I couldn't go.
You couldn't go, but you didn't take the test also. You did not inform me.
Yes, sir. Sir, there was a problem, and also my uncle was in a bike accident.
Oh,
So
স্যার আজকাল
we had
সবারই
to.
চাচা মানে সমস্যায় আছে
it's only my chacha is left.
ওনারও কিছু হয় নাকি
Only my chacha is left. So I will make your
আমার
chachas
চাচা
as,
মারা গেছে আসানের
yeah.
চাচা মারা গেছে ওর চাচা অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট করছে
So I will make your chachas as my chacha, no problem.
Sure, sir.
Then I have also some problem.
আপনি দেখেন আপনি চাচারা আপনি মাইরা বলেন আমি চাচা নেক্সট
Okay,
Sir,
so
I can give the test tomorrow.
yeah, very good. So I need this type of spirit. Tomorrow you take the test. Okay.
Okay, sir, when? Oh, sir, I talked with Hamid sir, and he said he will end the class in 8:30.
8:30. That means we can start 8:45, right?
So we can start 8:30 because most of the time he
So
ends
both
the
the
class in
days,
8:20.
both the days, Tuesday and
Yes, sir.
Sunday, we can.
Tuesday I have no Hamid sir's class.
Okay,
Only
so if
Sunday.
so, both the days we can start 8:30, right? So done.
Yes, sir.
Farhan,
Done.
also you are done, right?
no problem.
Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much. Okay. So you please join after 10 minutes. We will continue the worksheet. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, after 20 minutes or 10 minutes, sir.
10 minutes. 10 minutes means 9:55 will join. Okay.
Oh, sir, 9:50. Sorry, 9:5.